200,000 tickets a year are issued in Washington State. 5,000 tickets are issued in King County alone every month. That means that statistically, you have a high probability of getting a traffic ticket. Traffic tickets are a pain for several reasons. First, you have the money that's associated just with paying the ticket. Second, you have the time that you have to take to figure out what you're going to do with the ticket. And if you end up deciding to fight it on your own, that's going to take hours away from you. It's going to take hours away from work. You're going to take vacation time. It's going to take hours of prep time. The time is just crazy. You're also going to have attorney's fees, right? Those can range anywhere from $250 all the way up to $500, depending on who you decide to use as your lawyer to help you. And then on top of that, you have the increased insurance premiums. And that is where you really get hit hard. In Washington State, a traffic ticket stays on your record for 3 years. And their studies have shown that even one traffic ticket can increase your insurance premiums up to 22%. Okay, that means that one ticket could potentially cost you thousands of dollars over the next 3 years. But it doesn't have to be that way. You can get help with your traffic tickets whenever you get them for as little as the price of a few cups of coffee per month. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the co-owner and co-founder of Emerald City Law Group. My firm does several things very well. We do traffic tickets, we do personal injury, and we do DUI defense. And one of the goals that I had when I opened this firm was to provide great legal services at a low cost with low hassle. And that's what I've been trying to do. And that's what I want to do with these traffic tickets. I think I found a way to provide and reach all of these goals, and I wanted to share that with you right now. So the traditional way of providing legal services is you get in trouble, you find a lawyer, you pay them for the fee all at once, and they take care of the problem. This is troublesome for several reasons. The first is it's tough to find a good attorney when you need one with that short of a time span. You have to rely on the internet, you have to rely on somebody's referral or some other way to find that. The second problem is that you have to pay for the service all at once. That can be prohibitively expensive. You know, even coming up with $250 every time you get a ticket can be expensive if you get a few in a row. That is why we sort of are trying to get rid of that model. We want to eliminate the hassle of having to pay a bunch of money up front, a bunch of money every time you get in trouble. That trouble usually comes at the most inopportune times, and we want to give a way that you can sort of spread the cost of legal services out over time and also get a tremendous value while you're doing that. So this new model that we have is a subscription model, right? So for the cost of a few cups of coffee a month, $14.97, you get 24/7, 365 access for traffic ticket defense. All you have to do is call us, tell us you have the ticket, and we take care of it. Whether you get one ticket or 20 tickets or 100 tickets, it's still $14.97 a month, and that's all you pay. That's great because the $14.97, if you do the math, doesn't even add up to our regular fee of $250 a month for one ticket. So even if you get one ticket a year, which a lot of us do, then you've already saved money off of our service, and you've been able to spread it out over a long period of time so it doesn't hit your pocketbook as hard. You know, I think we can all lose $14.97 a month in our couch cushions. So you may be wondering, how can we do that? How can we charge such a low price for our services and still provide great service, still be good at what we do, still keep our office, things like that? Well, this model works in many ways just like insurance does. You know, you have insurance, you pay a subscription every month for that, you pay your premium, and the service is there when you need it. If you need it a lot, it's always there. If you don't need it a lot, it's still there, still providing some value for you, but the cost is spread over all of the subscribers, all of the members. That's the same way that we're going to work here. So we're going to have a lot of members, and we're going to provide great service to everyone when they need that service. It doesn't happen all at once, and so we can spread our work out over time, and you get to spread your money out over time. The other thing is there will be people that don't take advantage of this offer, don't take advantage of this service, and they'll have to pay $250. So that cost will be offset by those people that don't want to take advantage of being a part of such a special service. But that's not the only thing that you get with this service. All right, I wanted to continue to add even more value to what we provide. So here's what you're going to get in addition to traffic ticket defense in King, Snohomish, Pierce County. You are going to also get a discount off of our services, our other services, if you ever need them. All right, that includes 15% off the top for criminal defense services, and that includes 5% off of our fee if you have a personal injury case. Those two things alone can save you thousands and thousands of dollars. And again, you're going to get great service with people that you trust. That's the great thing about that. But that's not all. There's even more, okay? So I also have, in my time working as a lawyer, I've created relationships with other attorneys in other practice areas. People that I trust, people that are very, very good at what they do, people that I would send my own family members to. I've spoken with them and they've agreed to give all the members, all the subscribers to our service a 10% discount off of their fee as well. So if you ever find yourself in a jam with some other problem, then you're going to have people that you can trust, people that you can go to, that you know are going to help you, and you're going to get to save some money right there as well. But that's not it. That's not all either. Since we only deal with moving violations, I wanted to provide you with a resource to help you fight parking tickets and fight camera tickets. We don't do those tickets because they don't affect your insurance, which is where the real value lies for our service. But I wanted to give you some tips, some tricks, a path for fighting those tickets to either get those reduced or maybe even beat them outright. I wanted to give that to you as well. And then last but not least, we also have our satisfaction guarantee. Okay, it's no risk. This membership is month to month. There's no contract. We're not trying to lock you into anything. We want people to be with us that want to be with us. That means if you're not satisfied for any reason, or if you decide it's not right for you, you can cancel at any time. There are no hidden fees or costs. Again, there's no risk, and you can cancel anytime you'd like. So I hope by now you are interested in what we have to offer. You can see the value in it, and you want to become part of the group. If you do, that's fantastic. The way you do that is just click the button right below the screen here, fill out your information, and you're ready to go. Again, when you fill out your information, your membership starts tomorrow. Okay, we don't give the service out if you already have a ticket. We want to help people that have seen the value in this before signing up. So if you have a ticket right now, it's still going to cost you $250. You can sign up for the service after, and we'll help you out with any ticket moving forward. Okay, so I hope you take advantage of this great offer, of our great service. I'm really, really excited to help you and show you what great legal services can look like at a great price.